If you're looking out for a snack option for your kids' tiffin box, then this Makhana Walnut Ladoo are the perfect. These laddoos are not only healthy but easy to prepare and so delicious. Hi everyone, welcome to Homemade. Let's get started with the recipe. All you have to do is on a medium flame roast 3 cups of makhanas. Roast till they are crispy. It may take you around 7 to 8 minutes. Once they are roasted, take them onto a white plate. In the same kadai, roast 1 cup of walnuts. Roast until they change color. Once roasted, transfer them onto a plate. Next, roast 1.5 cup of desiccated coconut. Roast till it slightly changes its color. Make sure that you roast the coconut on a medium to low flame. Once slightly roasted, add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and roast it for a few seconds and transfer them into a plate. Roast 3/4 cup of de-seeded soft dates. Roast till they become sticky and soft. Once roasted, transfer it onto a plate. Grind all the roasted ingredients while they are still warm. Grind till you get a binding consistency. While grinding, the walnuts will release its own oil along with the dates. Both the ingredients will help the laddu to bind without any ghee. Once the mixture is grounded, season with cardamom powder, mix it. Start binding the laddus. They will bind easily without any ghee. Friends, if you like the content which I post, consider subscribing my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Once all the laddus are binded, let them cool down completely at room temperature. Once cooled down, store them in an airtight glass container up to a month at room temperature. Enjoy this healthy snack with your family and do not forget to eat homemade and stay healthy. Bye bye. God bless.